Today, we're going to show you how to assemble our ECore DuroRacks fixed wall mount cabinet. We'll be assembling the 9RU model, but the instructions apply for both the 6RU and 15RU models as well. The cabinet ships unassembled in a small flat box to save you money on shipping costs. Out of the box, you'll find the following hardware included: a rear wall mount panel, 4 rack rails, 2 side panels with removable doors, a front door, a top panel with included fan, a bottom panel, cage nuts, washers, screws, and 2 sets of keys, one for the door and one for the side panels. Because of the many different conditions that the cabinet may be installed, we will not be going over the installation of the back panel. Ensure that you use the recommended tools and hardware needed to support the weight of the cabinet and equipment based on your location. Start by unlocking the doors on the side panels and removing them. Then remove the front door from the front panel by squeezing the hinge locks making sure to hold on to the small plastic spacer. Insert the washers into position on the screws. Now it's time to install the cage nuts. Let's start with the side panels by placing a cage nut into each port at all 4 corners. As well as the 2 front-facing ports. Repeat this step for the other side panel. When you're finished, each corner should look like this. Install 4 more cage nuts into the ports on the back panel. Next, we'll attach the rack rails using the rack screws onto the side panels. Align the rack rails to the side panel so that the screw holes match up to the cage nuts. Then tighten the screws using a screwdriver. Do this for all 4 sides and repeat for the other side panel and rack rails. Line up the side panel with the cage nuts on the back panel and tighten both screws. Repeat this step for the other side panel. Install the top panel by sliding the rear tab underneath the lip of the back panel and resting on top of the side panels. Install the bottom panel by sliding the rear tab over the lip of the back panel, and have someone assist by holding the bottom panel in place while completing the next step. Install the front panel by ensuring that it fits over the tab of the top panel and under the tab of the bottom panel, snapping into place securely. Tighten the remaining screws surrounding the front panel to lock it into place. Reattach the front door, make sure to slide the plastic spacer back on, and squeeze the hinge lock to get it into position. Finish by locking the door. Slide the side panel doors into place and finish by locking the doors. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the ECore DuroRacks fixed wall mount cabinet. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your data rack and accessory needs, choose Show Me Cables.